All right, Lester. I got us the TAC team rifles.
All right, then this squad is ready to go. Come inside and meet the crew.
All right. I want to say thanks for being a part of our little operation. We're all professionals. We all know the score. We're going to execute the plan. We're going to move quick, and we're going to keep cool. Anybody gets pinched. This meeting never took place. We don't know each other. Is that clear?
Now, we've looked very, very carefully at the plans. We considered something more complicated, but given the location, the weakness of staffing, and the exit points, we believe that a more simple plan will work best.
We're gonna hack in, disable security, and waltz right in through the front door. The security guard should be to our left. We neutralize him. 15 seconds later, you come in. I want extreme pressure applied to the staff. The customers are to be calmly subdued. I want one guy on crowd control, while you and I empty out the merchandise from the cabinets. We're in and out in 90 seconds, guys. Franklin will handle your getaway. I'm leaving on foot. Any questions?
Good luck, everyone.
Let's go. F, come on, get in. Paige, you're in the truck with the bikes, everyone else with me. Gus, Eddie, I need you in the back of the van. Franklin's driving, I'm in the passenger seat. Nice work. All right, listen up. The four of us in this van, we're about to become accomplices in a major crime. I gotta be able to trust you with my life, my liberty, my reputation. Same goes the other way. A crew will only work when there's trust. So, in the interest of fostering that type of relationship in the short time we've got, let me introduce myself. I'm Michael. I've done this type of thing before, more than a few times. And I've made good money doing it. Enough to spend a long time not doing it. I hope it goes without saying, I know a lot of people. Anyone yaps about me or any of you, self. Got it? Good. Now, Frank, over to you.
Yeah, man, I'm Franklin, dawg. And, I'm new to these kind of planned out detail robberies. I've done my share of small jobs, you know, liquor stores, warehouses, boosting cars. And then I met this dude right here, Michael, man. And he turned me on to this thing.
So, who's next?
Gustavo, Gasmota. From East Los, know what I'm saying? Used to bang for the Vagos, but hey, don't tell him I told you that. I might even homies if I go away. I guess I found out pretty young I could pull a trigger. But it was a couple of years before I started doing it for bread, you know what I'm saying? Instead of that repping where you from bullshit. And here we are.
All right. This is Eddie Toe. He'll be cleaning out the cabinets and handling the getaway. He's got you some bikes for that. All you need to know about him is he's good.
This is it.
Let's move. Go get the bikes. Go! Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment! Please don't make me ruin all the great work your plastic surgeons have been doing. On the floor, now! Go, 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 go!
I've been able to get you around a minute and a half before the alarm will reset itself.
90 seconds! That's why we pay you what we do! Hey, we got more than enough time to clean these people out. Let's do it!
120 remaining.
Hey, I'm watching you. Let's go, let's go! You don't want drama.
Come on, let's clear this place out!
We're doing this.
Keep it up! Keep moving quick, you're doing great!
Let's do this. Clean them out.
Minute left.
Quick hands. I'll pop you in a heartbeat. I'm bagging it.
50 seconds.
You won't even get to the door. Stay down and don't move. We're almost out of here. Emptying them out.
40 seconds.
All right, we're running out of time. We gotta step it up if we're gonna hit the target. They're out of stones. Let's hit the road.
It's quiet out here, man.
So for the last time, move it.
Man, get the fuck out my face.
Oh.
You forget 1,000 things every day, pal. Make sure this is one of them. I'll see you at the river. Go.
Go, go, go!
Stay on me. Across here. Let's go. Hard left here. Going onto the big road. Dorset Drive.
Push! Let's get out of here! Shut up, fat fuck! You are... Shut up, fat fuck!
Veer right and drop down off the bridge on the Del Perro Freeway. Now we duck to the right into these tunnels.
Put your headlights on, it's dark in here.
We're going through this tunnel up ahead. The tunnel diverges, but it'll converge in a second. It gets muddy. Just keep going. At least we got the right bikes for this ground. That was a good call. I studied the route and I'm not an idiot. These are the best bikes for the terrain. Down the corridor. We'll go into the sewer. There's a drop here. There's a gate on the left. Take a left once you're through it. We're gonna start ascending. This means we're nearly out of here. The truck should be waiting in the Ellis River. Daylight! Here we go!
Bike team, the plan hasn't worked. Cops are waiting for you in the LS River. We're here, but be ready.
Hang in there, boys. I got this covered.
Shit! They're all over us!
Keep going. I'll get to work on the cops with these bulldogs.
These cops off us! Hey, dude, the river's shallow. Cross over this side. Oh, fuck, man. Can you get them off us? There's some serious heat out here. Roadblocks up ahead, man. We should cut across the river. This don't look so good. We neutral on this side of the river, dog. Hey, man, more cops.
Typical men. Can't organize anything without a big showdown with the law.
Shit! A couple of more shots and these bikes is done. Look out, more rollers. Wow, dog, this is it. This bike don't give out. Back across the other side, right. We're running out of river, man. You gotta get these cops off us.
It looks clear to me. Fine work, boss.
All right, we're clear of the cops for right now. Let's stop at the end of the river, and we'll get the bikes into the truck. F, come on, get in. Lester's around the corner at the lockup.
Fuck, man. I thought I was gonna be stuck to that bike.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna be stuck under a cop car.
There gotta be more dudes waiting around that way. We did not just get away with that shit, did we?
You know what? I think we did.
Ah, man.
All right! Woo! What the
All in a
fuck out?
day's work, homies.
Woo! I might just be able to send my kids to college.
I won't say it went off without a hitch, but it went off.
All right, people. We need to split up. They're gonna be looking for a crew.
I'll wire your cuts when the rocks have been sold.
That shit was crazy, dog. So what now?
We get out of here. Keep our heads down.
Hey, you did good, kid. What'd I tell you, Lester, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, look, everybody take off. Hey, Franklin. Listen, Lester and I got some things we gotta clean up. I want you to stop by the house a little later on. We'll celebrate, all right?
All right.
Okay. Huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, man. We're back in action.